Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kadafi Nabil Ariski from the Information Technology Department. I want to give an opinion regarding the 2026 World Cup qualification for the ASEAN zone in the Bahrain versus Indonesia match. In that match, the referee tended to give an advantage to Bahrain, such as when the Indonesian players touched the Bahrain players a little and they fell pretended to be in pain. Then the referee gave a free kick to Bahrain. And there were several moments when the Indonesian players were violated, but the referee just let it go. Then in extra time, the referee gave an additional 6 minutes. But when the time was running out up to 7 minutes, the referee had not yet blown the whistle until finally in the 98th minute. Bahrain was able to score an equalizing goal. After that, the referee blew the final whistle of the match in the 99th minute. Staff from Indonesia also received a red card from protesting about the course of the match. I will show some moments that occurred in the match.
Now it's my turn. What?
My opinion regarding the match between Bahrain versus Indonesia is that the referee should have been more careful when he wanted to give a foul to Bahrain, because Bahrain is known for overacting. Apart from that, the referee should have blown the whistle in the 96 minutes, at the last in the 97 minute, because during extra time nothing happened. Makes them have to stop. That's just my opinion. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will learn about one of the most frequently used tenses in English, namely the simple present. What is simple present? The simple present is a form of sentence that is used to state facts, habits, or events that occur repeatedly. Example of sentence: I always go to school by bus. Subject table along with to be and the appropriate verb. For subject I, used to be am, and verb do, or verb without the s or s ending. Subject you, they, we, and plural subject used to be are and verb do, or verb without the s or s ending. Subject he, she, it, and singular subject used to be is and verb does, or verbs ending in s or s. There are three forms of sentence in the simple present: positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Simple present positive sentence. Formula for the positive simple present: subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: we play football every Saturday. Simple present negative sentence. Formula for the negative simple present: subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: I don't live in London now. Simple present interrogative sentence. Formula for the interrogative simple present: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example of sentence: do you study English every day? Simple present function: general truth, habits, instruction, fixed schedules. General truth: General truth means general truth or absolute truth. This means things whose truth is certain and generally known. Example, cats are mammals. As we already know, cats are mammals. We will eat, we feel hungry. Of course, we will eat if we feel hungry. Habits. Next is habit or habits. Habit means something that is done continuously and consistently. Example, when you work, you will work every working day. When you work, what you do continuously is work. Wake up early every day. When you go to school or work, you definitely have a habit of waking up early. Instruction. Next, there in instruction, which means command or instruction. Example, include the command boards that we often encounter on the road. Apart from that, there are also instructions that we can find on the product packaging. Example, do not enter this area. Close the door, please. Fixed schedules. Well, finally, there are fixed schedules. Aka something that has been scheduled or is certain to happen. What's the difference between habits and habits? If a habit is a habit or something that is done repeatedly, it can be scheduled or not. For example, like going to work, going to school, or going to lessons. You definitely go to school and schedule, right? But why did he get into habits instead of fixed schedules? Because the incident occurs repeatedly. Fixed schedules are something that is scheduled, but does not repeat itself. Example, the show starts at 7 p.m. Indonesian football match will take place at 7 p.m. Simple present pattern. The patterns of the simple present are divided into two types, namely patterns for non-sentence and patterns for verb sentence. 1. Simple present pattern for non-sentence. Non-sentence are sentences that express objects. They can be names of people, professions, place, and all things that are objects. So the predicate is in the form of to be, is, am, are. Non-sentence. There are four kinds of sentence form, namely positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with question. Positive form. Positive form is a sentence that has positive value. The pattern for non-sentence is subject plus to be plus complement. To be consists of is, am, are. The usage depends on the subject. Meanwhile, complement consists of noun, adverb, and adjective. Its use depends on the sentence. Example, he is a teacher. Negative form. This negative form is a sentence that has a negative value. The pattern for non-sentence is subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Example, they are not here yet. Interrogative form. Interrogative form means a sentence that is in the form of a question sentence. So don't forget to use a question mark. Okay, the pattern for noun sentence is to be plus subject plus complement plus interrogative. Example, are you a doctor? Interrogative form. Interrogative form WH question aka question words containing the letters WH, namely what, when, where, who, whom, which, was, why, and how. The pattern in non-sentence is WH question plus to be plus subject plus interrogative, different from the previous interrogative form. This interrogative form begins with a WH question first, followed by to be, then the subject. Example, why are you late? 2. Simple present tense pattern for verb sentence. A verb sentence is a sentence that states an action or treatment. So the predicate is a verb. The verb used must be verb 1 as with non-sentence. For verb sentence, there are also 4 types of sentence form, namely positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with a question. Positive form. For the positive form of verb sentence, the pattern is subject plus verb 1 or verb 1 plus s or s plus complement. So this verb can use the normal one without the s or s ending, or the one ending in s or s, depending on the subject. Example, I read a letter. He goes to school. Negative form. Negative form of the verb sentence. The pattern in subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, they do not know where to go. She does not bring an umbrella. Interrogative form. Interrogative form of verb sentence. The pattern is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement plus interrogative. Example, does he bring the book? Interrogative form. Interrogative form WH question verb sentence. The pattern is WH question plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement plus interrogative. Likewise with non-sentence, the WH question is placed at the beginning of the sentence before to be. Example, when does he go to school? That's all from me regarding my opinion about the Bahrain versus Indonesia match. Simple present. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.